What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be making this lemonade. And first time making this I'm gonna make lemonade. This. So yeah. I'm gonna make lemonade right now. Something that I talk about, like my mom make it first. Here's the ingredients, guys. So look at this. The ingredients that you need are honey, lemon, and some kind of gadget thing. Oh, wait, I don't forgot something. A knife, guys, for cutting that freaking lemon. We need this gadget thingy, like, we need this, like, some sort of gadget thingy. This one. Some sort of, and we need, like, a mixer of something. And we need straw and ice, guys. So, let's get started with the tutorial right now. First, you need to cut your beautiful lemon. This is my beautiful lemon over here. So we try to just re-unpack it. Re-unpack it. And look at this, guys. So wonderful smell. Wow, so wonderful. And then we need to like roll it. No. And then you need to roll it. Roll it something like this.
That's too much lemon.
Roll it something like this, guys. And then we're going to be like cut this over here.
I want bong rolls.
We're gonna be cutting it.
Sunny side.
And look at this. We get this piece of lemon and we need to get this gadget thingy. This one over here. And who is that lemon? I'm gonna use this cover. So hard. This lemon is so hard to crush. Try to get the excess. Oh my God, this. I'll do the same with the other side over here, guys. So yeah, guys, don't throw these lemon slices away. We're gonna be using this later. Gonna be using the lemon slice later, guys. So now we got this here, guys. This lemon here. We need to get the cup over here, and then with need a spoon, guys. We need a spoon, guys. We need a spoon, and we got this thing over here and pour it right over here, guys. Pour that lemon right there. That lemon. And then we need to like get some honey, miss. We got this honey over here. This will help to like dilute it. So we got some honey over there. We got a bunch of honey and I'm gonna do mix it. Alright, just gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it, miss. We're gonna mix it like this. Once I'm done with it, it should look like this, miss. So now we're gonna grab something, ice. So now I'm gonna be crushing some ice. We need some ice. A bunch of ice.
Don, hold it here now. Ton,
That's good.
Ton. Did you hear me? Huh?
Yes.
Come on. The egg is here now. Eat na.
God, this is so hard, ice.
I know everything got crazy.
My God, guys, this ice is so hard.
Can you stop?
And look at this. Yes, we got ice over here, and I'm gonna get water.
It's a little bit hot, no?
It's not very hot at all.
So, straw is optional, guys, for my opinion. Actually optional, and I'm going to just.
This one's for you and me.
And we need to pour it right over here. No?
This one's for you and me. And it's down a tree. Where
Kuya, quiet.
Need this here. We need this liquid, guys. We're gonna pour it right over here, guys. Boom, and we need ice this first. We need ice, and we need a cup of water, guys. For this, we need this cup of water. How about I think this.
everything I
I
need.
think I need more honey, guys. I think I need more of this. So you quite need more honey, guys, from that. So I'm gonna shake it, guys. Like this. We're really gonna shake it, guys. But we're really gonna shake it, guys. So I really had shaped it, and you need to put like these. I need to cut these, guys, to make sure. You need to cut those. Bunch of these slices. A bunch of these slices over here. I'm gonna shake again, guys. Forget that this is our lemon. The hell? You need some like this our lemon. Now and and we need final straw optional.
Take it out till it unfixed.
So guys, so let me taste this one
I
first.
gotta go with this. Is this game very broken?
Mmm.
Come on!
Tastes
come
good,
on,
guys.
Come
Tastes
on!
good.
Come on!
So that is it, guys, for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon, guys, for our next like DI. For our next what do you call that? I don't know, guys. So peace.